Good morning, PUC second year students. I am Ashok Vishnu Kurne, lecturer in economics. Students, today let us study the chapter number 4, that is the theory of perm under perfect competition. In perfect competition, there are some definitions and meanings are there, and you have to know the meanings of some important questions. They are what do you mean by MR, or define the marginal revenue, and to which side the supply curve, does supply curve shift due to the technological progress, and write the formula of average revenue, and the what is a normal profit and what is a supernormal profit, the what the does market supply curve shows. These are the 6 questions. These are the 6 questions you have to answer for these 6 questions, and if you solve these problems, you will get 5 marks, or these questions may be 2 marks or 1 marks questions. Total it carries 5 marks questions. So you have to answer for these questions. First question is the define marginal revenue, or what is marginal revenue? MR. MR means marginal revenue. Already I told you, I given the number of examples for marginal revenue. Marginal revenue, it is the extra revenue, or it is an additional revenue from sale of one more unit of an additional unit of commodity is called as the marginal revenue. Once again, define marginal revenue. The marginal revenue, it is the additional revenue generated from the sale of the additional units of a commodity is called as the marginal revenue. Marginal revenue means it is an additional revenue generated from the sale of an additional units of commodity. It is called as the marginal revenue, or MR. That is MR. And second question is, to which side supply curve, to which side does supply curve shift due to the technological progress? The question is like that: to which side does supply curve shift to due to the technological progress? The second question is, to which side does supply curve shift due to the technological progress? The answer is, the supply curve shift from left to right. The supply curve shift left to right due to the technological progress. Which side the supply curve shifts? The supply curve shift left to right due to the technological progress. And number third question is, write the formula of, or write the formula to calculate average revenue. Write the formula to calculate average revenue, that is AR. AR means average revenue. The answer is, AR is equal to TR divided by Q is equal to P into Q divided by Q is equal to P. Once again, write the formula to calculate average revenue. Means AR is equal to TR divided by Q is equal to P into Q divided by Q is equal to P. This is the formula for to calculate average revenue. Once again remember it. Write the formula to calculate average revenue. AR is equal to TR divided by Q. AR is equal to TR divided by Q is equal to P into Q divided by Q is equal to P. This is the to calculate the average revenue AR. It is the third question. And fourth question is, what is a normal profit? What is normal profit? What is normal profit? The minimum level of output or minimum level of profit is needed to keep a firm in the existing business is called as the normal profit. What is normal profit? The minimum level of profit that is needed to keep existing business is called the normal profit. Normal profit, it is a minimum level of profit. It is a minimum level of profit that is needed to keep existing business is called the normal profit. The minimum level of profit that is needed to keep the firm in the existing business, it is called as the normal profit. Normal profit. Normal profit, keep that remember. Normal profit means it is a minimum level of profit. Only you keep the short meaning minimum level of profit that is to needed to keep the firm in the existing business, it is called as the normal profit. This is the meaning of the normal profit. And fifth question is, give the meaning of supernormal profit. Give the meaning of supernormal profit, or what is supernormal profit? So you can explain it by general. Supernormal profit is more than normal profit, or over and above the normal profit is called the supernormal profit. The normal profit is minimum level of profit, and the supernormal profit means it is more than the normal profit. The definition is there. The profit that the firm earns over and above the normal profit. Over and above the normal profit is called the supernormal profit. Remember it. What is supernormal profit? The profit that is over and above the normal profit, it is called as the supernormal profit. This is the supernormal profit. And last question is, what does market supply curve shows? What does market supply curve shows? The market supply curve shows the output level that the firm in the market produce in aggregate corresponding to different values of the market price. It is called as the market supply curve shows. The market supply curve shows the output levels the firm in the market produce in aggregate corresponding to different values of the market price. the supply curve shows like this, different level of price, different values of the market price. So all these questions are very important to keep remember, and these are very necessary to explain in 1 marks, and remember it since long time, and it has to very near, and you will write, mostly you will write, it is, these questions are very easy to explain and remember. So these questions are very careful, and the MR is, what is MR, and give the meaning of the MR, or the to which side the supply curves due to technological progress, and which side it shifts, and write the formula of AR, and what is the normal profit and what is supernormal profit, and what the market supply curve shows. You have to keep remember. Thank you, one and all.